Home remedies for looking hand younger. Normally, we care about our skin, body, hair, etc., but we usually forget to take care of our hands, which reflect our age very clearly. Hands are also sensitive parts that you may ignore due to some reasons. Are you busy for work? Are you busy for feeding kids? Do not worry about your dry hands if you see thoroughly tips home remedies for looking hand younger. Yogurt and gram flour. You firstly prepare plain yogurt, 3 teaspoons, and gram flour, 1 tablespoon. Mix them together until you have a paste. Then you rub this paste directly on the hands and let it dry naturally. Finally, you use warm water to clean your hands and reapply this 1 or 2 times weekly. Clarified butter. You mix oatmeal with honey and water to get a paste. Then you rub this oatmeal paste on your hands. Wait for 7 to 10 minutes and rinse off your hands. Follow this homemade treatment once per week. Overripe bananas. With this way, you simply take a ripe banana and then remove this outer skin. Then you mash the banana pulp into a fine paste and rub this banana paste directly on your hands. Allow it to stay on your skin for 27 to 30 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Remember to use hand moisturizer after applying this process. Shea butter cream. Shea butter is a common ingredient in the kitchen. It is loaded with immense nourishing and healing properties which will provide the hand skin with hydration and the moisture. You just take a bit of shea butter and then use it to massage your hands. Besides, you may also make a homemade cream by mixing shea butter with a bit of coconut oil or cocoa butter and melt this mixture. Next, you add some drops of your favorite essential oil and pour this into an empty jar. Avocado and honey. You take half a ripe avocado and then mix its pulp with a tablespoon of raw honey. Then you apply this paste directly on the hands and wait for about 7 to 10 minutes. Finally, use cool water to rinse off your hands. Keep doing this several times weekly. Or you can use the avocado oil to gently massage your hands every day before you take a bath. Milk cream. You firstly rub a bit of fresh milk cream directly on your hands. You let it sit on your hands for 7 to 10 minutes and clean your hands with lukewarm water. Remember to apply this beauty tip every day to get younger looking hands. Aloe vera. Firstly, take an aloe vera leaf and extract its gel. Then you dab this aloe vera gel on your hand skin and gently massage it for several minutes. Allow the mixture to stay on your hands for 12 to 15 minutes clean with lukewarm water. You should use this natural way 1 or 2 times on a daily basis. Almond. Now, you put the almonds in the water and soak them for overnight. You blend the soaked almonds with milk until you have a smooth almond paste. You use this paste to rub on your hands and let it like that for overnight. Finally, you clean your hands with cold water in the next morning. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Mix the turmeric together thoroughly with yogurt until they form a uniform paste. Then you rub this paste on your hand skin and wait for about 20 minutes. Finally, you use cold water to wash off your hands. Also, you can ideally apply this solution every day before you take a bath. Reapply this application for 2 weeks or until you see amazing results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us.